In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sound icon in Figma fast 2025 guide. We're going to use the quickest approach, a free icon plugin, so you can drop in a clean sound or volume symbol in seconds and customize it to match your design. Start by opening Figma and heading to the resources panel. You can tap the keyboard shortcut Shift plus I to open it instantly. Switch to the plugins tab, search for Iconify and run it. Iconify is a massive library that aggregates thousands of icons from many popular sets, which makes it perfect when you need one thing done fast. If you already use material symbols or feather icons, those work too. The process is exactly the same. Inside the Iconify window, use the search bar and type the terms that fit what you want: sound, volume, speaker, or audio. You'll see lots of variations. Pick a style that aligns with your UI. Linear icons are great for lightweight interfaces. Filled icons read well. At very small sizes, rounded icons feel friendly and modern, and sharp styles deliver a crisp, techie look. Matching the stroke or weight of your existing icons helps keep your system consistent. When you find the one you like, just click it. The icon will appear on your canvas at a default size. Drag it where you need it and resize as necessary. Holding Shift keeps the proportions intact, and you can zoom in to check edges at 100% to make sure it stays crisp. Now customize it so it fits your brand. Adjust the stroke to 1 or 2 pixels for most interfaces. Thinner reads delicate, thicker reads bolder. Change the color to white, black, or your brand's primary color. If you're building a volume up or loudness state, add simple waves or bars to the right of the speaker. You can draw short arcs with a pen tool or duplicate a bar and space them evenly for a neat rhythm. If the icon is editable as individual shapes, you can also round corners slightly in vector edit mode for a softer look. Try to keep the spacing consistent and maintain even visual weight with your other icons. And that's it. With a plugin like Iconify, you can source, place, and tailor a sound icon in under a minute, all while keeping your design system clean and consistent. Pause, follow along, and you'll have a polished result ready for your next screen.